Hey, welcome to this week's In the Shop with Scott. I continue working on the net, run some stuff through Ned Sanders, do a little shop rearranging, and I got the heaters put up. Did not record that, but ready for winter weather. Also supporting some of my local Nashville guys, and hope you enjoy. I continued working on the long-handled net, running it through the drum sander to even out the strips and the handle. A couple passes on each side and I was down to where I needed it to be. Alright, so I talk about how I rearrange my shop a lot. In some of my latest projects I have to keep pulling the bandsaw out this way, I have to keep moving the sander that way, so just going to switch them around where they're at. Planer's been moved. I'm now hitting my track saw rail, so I'll move those real quick, and then we'll see how this works. It's an easy move back if I don't like it. That should work. Now onto the belt sander to smooth the transition from the hoop to the handle. I picked up a couple 2x4s of Western red cedar that I'll use for some reindeer cutouts. They're a little rough cut, so I ran that through the drum sander so I had a smooth surface to trace the templates on. And then ran one edge across the jointer so that I could also trace the template on that edge. And here I have the slot cutter set up on my router table and cutting the slot so that I can lace on the net later on, and then rounding over the handle and the hoop. I then knocked out a quick little pallet project, a request from one of my mom's neighbors to make a Christmas tree for her that she could put up outside her home. If you're interested in this project, there's a full build video. I'll put the link below that I did last year, very similar to this one. A quick spray with some paint. The weather's a bit chilly outside, so I do this inside, then let the shop air out before I came back and added the lights to finish this one up. I then jump back over to the fish landing net, drilling the holes to lash on the silicone net. And sanding, sanding, and more sanding. This net's going to be a gift for Christmas this year, so I wanted to try something new. I did a deeper laser engraving and then filled that with some Star Bond's white CA glue and then sanded it flat. And last but not least was adding some Total Boat Lust varnish to the net. This is coat one of probably at least 6 coats. That ambrosia maple on the handle really pops with this on there. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to see future videos.